Alright, who do we got here? Introduce yourself.
My name's Giuseppe. I'm 18 years old and I'm a recovering alcoholic.
Alright, what car do you drive? Let me see.
I drive this beautiful fucking
wow.
GTI.
Really?
Yep. Certified pre-owned.
Look at this thing,
Only
dude.
slightly beaten.
Look at this thing. A little bit dusty in the back. Ah. How much horse? You got any mods done to it?
It's got 550 horse, fully built engine.
Really?
RB22.
Really?
16.
Nice, nice. Who's this guy?
Alright, this is cool. Let me bring you along this way. My grip. Here you have the one and only pinnacle of V6 muscle car.
Really?
This is a real Mustang, a V6. Over here, you got a Borla Attack.
Oh, really?
All the Camaros are here, you fucking the bitches. You got the X-Type for the fucking J's reach come out onto that Camaro, it's right behind you.
Nice, nice. You'll have to see.
Come on in here. Come on in here.
Come in the cockpit, huh?
Right here, you got S for sitting on the Camaros. Right here. In the fucking S mode.
Sport. You got paddle shifters in here.
You got fucking paddle shifters. Like,
really?
Slap the ass of them Camaro drivers fucking bitches.
No way. No way. Let's give some revs.
You want to fucking hear? Get right in there. It's called the fucking Borla.
Wow. That was diesel. That's Ford.
Cat, look at
That stinks actually.
Oh.
It actually smells really bad. It smells like my lawn.
Oh, that smells worse than my car. Then we got the V6 cam. V6 cam. How can you forget this beast?
Air ride.
It's got a Borla exhaust on this thing. There's no cat, absolutely no cat on this thing. Look at the shocks are blown. Wow. She's throwing it back right now, boys. All right, we'll catch you boys on the highway. What did we just pull up on?
God only knows.
Wow.
Heaven. Look at that rig right there.
Look at this thing,
Lambo
dude.
1.
How many Lambos this guy got?
It's a twin turbo.
Wow.
Someday. Look at this thing. Look at the brakes on it.